Hi guys, today's video is actually going to be a tutorial again because I got a new palette and I want to use it, so that's what I'm doing. Um, so today's tutorial is going to be based off of this. This is a new album by Labyrinth.Sia.Diplo, and together it's called LSD. And I wanted to do an eye look based off the color scheme of this, so it's like pink, yellow, blue, orange. So I'm going to be going into the Blood Sugar palette, the Blood Sugar, Blue Blood, and the James Charles palette. I have the James Charles chilling right here. Let's see. So I think I'm going to start off with, I think I'm going to do all matte today. So first I'm going to prime with MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I think I have some kind of idea of what I want to do, but we will see. Oh, I think I should do a cut crease. That'd be actually kind of cool. Let's see. Okay. So I prime my lid. Oh, I'm using the brush, the M173, and then I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get. Where you at? I'm gonna use this M441 and I'm gonna go in with a bright yellow shade in this palette and put that right into my crease. Because I think I'm gonna use a yellow to kind of like be my edge. So I'm just gonna pop that, raise your eyebrow, and then look down, and then just go back and forth. I'm gonna use windshield wiper motions. Back and forth, back and forth. And I'm going with a little bit more yellow. Oh my god, you can't even see it on camera, huh? Oh, that's okay. You don't really need. I'll just go with more. What the heck? The James Charles palette usually does much better if you're packing shades on rather than blending them right away, but I don't want this color to really show up. I kind of just want it to like be there to help everything else blend together. So, okay, now that I have my yellow set, I will be going in with. I'm gonna be going with an orange, and I think I'm gonna use an orange in his palette because I don't see an orange anywhere else. So I'm gonna be going with what is this? No, I need a smaller one. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. This is the E17 brush. It's like a small crease brush. And then I'm just gonna put that right in the crease. I'm gonna lift my eyebrow and then kind of go just right there. Okay, so I'm gonna pack this into the crease rather than blend immediately. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna pat it out so it kind of blends itself and just blend the rest. Okay, I'm gonna go in with more and then really try to pack that in the crease. I really want that orange to really show. Yeah, you see it? And then I am going to, I'm gonna use this, what is, an M433, and I'm gonna use that to pack pink right on my lid. I'm gonna use the shade Cavity in the Blush Sugar palette. It's the bright pink. It's like that. And then I'm gonna put that right on the lid. I should use a smaller brush actually. Okay, I'm gonna use this. What is this? An M456, but I'm gonna use my color switch hair donut, and then kind of just, because it's like super covered in red, so I'm just go back and forth. It still has a little, it still has a little bit of red, but alright, so I think I accidentally cut it off, so I'm gonna continue again. I'm using the M456, and I'm going in with this lightly dusted red, and I'm gonna be going with the shade Cavity, and then really pack that on the lid. I'm basically taking this all the way to the orange, but then I'm just going to put the orange back on just to help it blend. I want to keep patting on that pink. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with, where'd it go? Oh yeah, this E18 brush. It's the one that I use for the, no, this isn't it. Okay, it was this one. It's the E17. And then I'm going to go with the orange again. And then kind of just go over the pink with the orange. Yeah. And then just blend it out with the orange. I'm going to go in with that orange again. This is going to be a little bit odd, but I'm going to put blue on my lower lash line. And I think I'm going to go in with this. This is the E18. It's kind of like a more dense. I don't even know what this is, honestly. But I feel like this would be really good for the lower lash line. I'm going to be going in the shade Blue Blood from the Blue Blood palette, of course. And then I'll pop that down here. Yep, good choice. Look at that. I'm gonna go in with the shade I'm Cold, which is like a super bright blue on the same brush. And then kind of just go over the edge. I feel like I need a super bright pink. I'm actually gonna be going in with. They look like the same shade. Hold on. Let me swatch these. I'm gonna swatch the shade Cavity, and then I'm gonna swatch the shade. I think it was like Skip. Okay, so this is Skip, and this is Cavity. Oh yeah, Cavity's like darker. It's like a dark pink. And then Skip is definitely more light. Yeah, so that's Skip, and this is from the James Charles, and this is from the Blood Sugar. I'm gonna go in with Skip on top with that M456 brush that I use for the pink, and then kind of just tap that on top. Yeah, so this is looking a little bit more pink. I'm gonna use the same brush and go in with the orange, and then pack that right on top. And then I'm gonna go in with this M441, and I'm gonna go in with that yellow again, and then kind of just dust that on top of the orange to blend it out real quick. And I really want that yellow to show now. I'm actually gonna take it all the way in here, cause like why not? I'm gonna just pack that right in here. I'm actually gonna blend that yellow right under the blue, so I'm just gonna You can't really tell on camera, but in person, yikes, this looks good. And then, just to blind everyone, you see that? Watch. This is going to be my shade Sandstorm from my King Cosmetics website. I'll put it in the link below. Oh, watch this. Okay, ready? 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 Watch. Oh my god, yep. That's a good highlight. But yeah, guys, I think this is gonna be my finished look for LSD. Go check them out. The music is very good. I think my favorite song from LSD is what's it called? Heaven. Heaven is Waiting for Me. Let me see. I just thought it was a really good song, and my laptop is about to die, so I gotta go. Oh my gosh, I wanna like. Yeah, it's called Heaven Can Wait. Oh my god, that song is so good. I should add a little bit of black to deepen this actually. Cause like why not? Let's go with this. Oh no. Yeah, let's go with this M506. And then I'm going with the shade. I'll actually go with the shade Extraction in the Blood Sugar palette. And then kind of just put that, what is this? A 506? And then just put it right there. That's not doing nothing. Okay. Does that do anything? Okay, I'm just gonna go in the shade Coma. And then put that right there. Cool. Alright. Let's blend that out a little bit. Pack a little bit of yellow, a little bit of orange, a little bit pink. Alright, guys. This is a finished look. I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow. See you later, guys.